Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about the Deriv dashboard. If you could remember in our last video, we discussed about how to register on Deriv. It was the best complete guide on step-by-step registration on Deriv. And then in our previous video also, we also discussed about what is Deriv, why do many beginners choose Deriv, what can you trade on Deriv, important things before you can trade. If you have not watched this video, then you are missing a lot. And again, in case you are finding it difficult to navigate into the Deriv dashboard, I'm dropping a link on the description of this video so you can go in. It will lead you directly to the Deriv dashboard if you have registered. And if you have not registered, then you are expected to register. Endeavor to share, like, and subscribe to this channel, please. So let's dive into today's topic on the Deriv dashboard. If you see at the upper layer of this deposit now, you will see an icon white. It's the personal profile where you will see your personal details, home address, additional information, tax information, verification. That is, if you have verified, it will show your proof of identity. If it is verified, it will show your proof of address, assessment, financial assessment also, security, and then API management, preferences, then finally is the support system. So this is in your profile. So now let's go back to the dashboard. You will see the eye icon, which I will cycle, is related to visibility of account information, particularly information displayed on your dashboard. Then the notification bell there, which you see, I have 5 notifications. It simply means that if the Deriv has an important message, promotion, account notification, or other alert, you will see it there definitely. So as you can see, even when you log in into Deriv, remember that I said for you to log in, you will see on the description of this video the link that I will drop there so that you can log in. When you log in, this is the first thing you will even see. Then it will show you that make your first deposit. Make your first deposit. So Deriv is encouraging you to fund your account so that you can start trading. Because if you do not fund your account, there is no way money can come. So even in the marketplace, you will not just go and open a shop and leave it like that. You have to put goods so that people will come and purchase. So you have to fund this account so that it can generate for you more income. So as you can see, when I click on deposit now, so you click on it, deposit now, so it show you deposit. This place, it will take you to the available deposit method, which you can see on the screen for many accounts. You understand? When I press view more, it will also show you another payment platform. So the available payment method and minimum deposit requirement can vary. So always check what is currently available inside your account. So as you can see, we have USDT, we have USDC, we have crypto. As you can see, we have USD whereby you can transfer, fund your account via bank, card, e-wallet, and crypto. So take note of this. It's very, very important. So as you can see, when you come back here, so these are select crypto type, any crypto you want to. So but in later video I'm going to speak more on this, but today I want to discuss about the Deriv futures and platform. So as we have discussed about the deposit now, I will take us to my trading account. So it is good that for you to know that in Deriv we have 2 trading accounts. Number 1 is the MT5 CFDs like standard. You understand? That is the number 1. The number 2 is option. So it's very important that you know what CFDs does. You understand how it works. Please, you should also know that this CFD stands for contract for difference. A CFD allows you to speculate on the price movement. You understand? It allows you to speculate on the price movement. As you can see, it allows you to do that. Then of an underlying market without necessarily owning the underlying asset itself. So for example, instead of buying a physical amount of gold, you could trade a CFD that track price movement of gold. If the market moves in the direction of your trade, you make profit. Definitely you make a good profit. MT5, as you see, in the logo of this picture, it stands for MetaTrader 5, a popular trading platform used for analyzing charts and placing trade. So if I should place on trade here, you will see the transaction. But let me also go further to tell you what MT5 is. That is MetaTrader 5. You should not confuse yourself between MT5 and the Deriv. Deriv is a broker or service provider, you understand? While MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform, you understand? Think of Deriv as a place where your trading account is provided, while MT5 is one of the platforms you can use to access certain trading market. So you can add, that is inside MT5, you will normally work with things like charts, technical indicators, orders, other types, position, stop, loss, and take profit. So these are technical things. MT5 will help you to analyze your market in a good way. So when I place trade, you will see it will take us to where, but I'm not here to explain more. It's in further videos I'm going to talk about it. So let's go back and discuss on the options. That is the second trading platform, option. So before I can talk on option here, I want us to notice something. If you can notice, this is our demo account. So I always told you that Deriv give you a 10,000 USD in order to practice how your CFD works without losing any of your fund. You understand? You practice it. So please and please ensure that if you cannot trade very well, you should practice this. It's going to help you a lot. Then when I place trade, you see that it will take me to the analysis and I make my trade. Let's go back to discuss about the option, which is here. You understand? Option, this is different type of trading product from CFD. Remember, I told you we have two types in this trading account, the CFD and the option. So option trading on Deriv, it involves contracts where the potential outcomes depend on how the market behaves according to the specific contract terms, because option can work very differently from normal CFD trading. Beginners should learn the specific contract, so it's good that you learn the contract mechanics before risking your real money. So this is very, very important for you to know. There is another thing I want us to know about CFD and option, very important difference. CFD involves speculating on price movement. I know why I'm repeating this, speculating on price movement, while option has specific contract condition that determines the outcome. You understand? So don't start trading either one simply because you see a green or red button. No, first understand how the product works. You understand, which I'm guiding you how it works. CFD is directly deals with price movement trading. There is no way about it. It is a price, while option is a contract based trading. It's a contract based trading. Then the next thing is when we navigate up, we go to explore Deriv. So in exploring Deriv, this section allows us to see, you understand, the different products and services available on Deriv. You understand? So if you are a beginner, it is good, choose one product, learn how it works, practice it, and understand the risks before moving to another product. So as you can see, we have our deposit, which I've explained on the top of the video. We have the CFD, which I have also contract for differences, which I've also discussed. We have our option. We have our trading view. This trading view is where you see your analysis. You understand? Let me type on. You see your market there. It said access all financial and exclusive Deriv market, where we have our market. We have the forex. For those in forex, stock indices, if you have good in stock indices, we have crypto, we have synthetic indices. These synthetic indices, I will also talk about it the more, because it is the only broker that provides these synthetic indices, which is very, very important, that will make you to be financially strong and financially skilled through your trading journey. Deriv FX, we have stock, we have commodities, we have ETFs, we have basket indices. So I will even send my LinkedIn page information, where you will know I've written an article about most of these products, only broker that provide these synthetic indices, which is very, very important, that will make you to be financially strong and financially skilled through your trading journey. Deriv FX, we have stock, we have commodities, we have ETFs, we have basket indices. So I will even send my LinkedIn page information, where you will know I've written an article about most of these product, most of this market product. I've written an article about it, so you can go in and also make research, and it's going to help you on your trading. So as you can see, that is how it works. But when you see the down where this red button, activate your demo account, if it is a real account, it will tell you activate your real account. So you will enter your MT5 password so that it can be MT5 password so that it can be activated. So but we are not doing that today. We'll uh, go back and this trading view as you can see on this our trading view, on the down button you say connect to trading view. When you connect, you link your Deriv demo account or your real account when you are using your real account to trade, to sign in to the trading view, to connect your Deriv account and trade directly on the chart with 10,000 US dollar visual form. Go to your trading view. So this will show you the analysis. You understand? So let's go back. There is something I want us to discuss at the bottom. So in the bottom, as you can see, it says home, where it shows red now. So in this home, this is where we are right now. It gives us an overview of the Deriv market and available services. So let's go to CFDs. In our CFDs, as you can see, it's showing on the screen. These are CFDs. This section takes you into the CFD trading environment where you can access supported market and instrument. So as you can see, depending on what is available on your account and region, you may see markets such as forex, commodities, stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and other instruments. So let's dive into option. In our option, this takes you into the option trading environment. Again, remember, options have different mechanics from CFD. So take note of this. So learn the particular contract before trading. So as you can see, most traded market, we have volatility 100, we have bear market index, we have volatility 25. So many, we have volatility 75 index. So we have so many traded market in this place. So let's go to our portfolio. This is where you can view information about trading activity and position depending on the account and platform you are using. So as you can see, you can click on your wallet. It will show you, so you know that this is a practice using this for a video so that you will understand. Then our trading, you understand, you see your two trading account here. So let's go back to our view. In our view, you see browse all payment method. So this is our payment method which I have discussed with you earlier. So let's go back. So finally, there is something I want us to understand. So now that we have understand the dashboard, let me show you the proper journey for you. First and foremost, if you have not created your account, create your account. I will drop the link on the description of this video, please and please, and also a material on how you can navigate and trade very well. Then choose a product. It is very good for you to choose a product, understand the dashboard, choose what is actually you want to learn. CFDs option or another available product, very very important for you to know this, please and please. You should understand how that product works before putting your money. It is good for you to understand how the product works. Use a practice or demo environment where available and learn how it works, how chart and risk management work. Develop a proper trading strategy and risk management plan. After understanding the risk, you should consider depositing real money, as I said. So it is good for you to deposit real money so that you can start making cash on this platform. So please and please, in the description of this video, you will see the link for you to register your account if you have not registered. Then if you have registered, it will also direct you to your page where you can make your deposit and start your trading journey. Endeavor to share, comment, and subscribe to this video, and also turn up your notification button so that whenever I drop a video, you will be the first to receive. So thank you. See you in our next video as we drive and I teach you more about your trading journey. And I wish you well. I wish you a financial breakthrough in your trading journey. Please, let's always know that Deriv is the best broker. Me personally, I've experienced is the best. I've seen so many breakthrough in Deriv. Thank you.